Halo lur, ketemu meneh karo aku Mr. Widi neng Elkurs. Oke guys, sing ngurung subscribe tolong subscribe channel Elkurs ya. Yang sudah subscribe I say thank you so much. Oke guys, saiki dhewe arep bahas sing seger-seger, sing enak-enak. Wah, apa kuwi? Delok iki. Nah, apa jale iki? Lemon, lemon. Gimana kita gawa teko kulkas tak bongkar. Nah, iki seger tenan iki semongko tarik sis. Nek meneh iki siji meneh iki. Apa iki kesukaanmu kan? kesukaane kethek. Tuh aku yo doyan iki. Iki jenenge pisang, ya ngerti kabeh. Saiki dhewe arep membahas buah-buahan, tapi untuk mbadok dhewe iki arep belajar bahasa Inggris, ngelatih ilatmu, ngelatih cangkemmu, ngelatih ilatmu ben iso kaya bule. Ngomongnya kaya bule, belajar bahasa Inggris guys. Oke? Apple, apple. My mom and I love apple. My mom and I love apple. Melon, melon. Jen will buy 2 kilograms of melon. Jen will buy 2 kilograms of melon. Strawberry, strawberry. The strawberry taste is a bit sour. The strawberries taste a bit sour. Pineapple, pineapple. Pineapple is good for our health. Pineapple is good for our health. Watermelon, watermelon. This watermelon is so sweet. This watermelon is so sweet. Blueberry, blueberry. This jam is made of blueberry. This jam is made of blueberry. Orange, orange. An orange contains much vitamin C. An orange contains much vitamin C. Lemon, lemon. Lemon is good for diet. Lemon is good for diet. Avocado, avocado. The avocado has good fat for our body. The avocado has good fat for our body. Pomegranate, pomegranate. This pomegranate juice is high of antioxidant. This pomegranate juice is high of antioxidant. Star fruit, star fruit. My dad didn't like star fruit. My dad didn't like star fruit. Grapes, grapes. This wine is made of Australia grapes. This wine is made of Australia grapes. Mango, mango. I plant mango trees in front of my house. I plant mango trees in front of my house. Durian, durian. The durian tree can grow up to 15 meters high. The durian tree can grow up to 15 meters high. Soursop. Soursop. Soursop is originally from South America. Soursop is originally from South America. Banana. Banana. Monkey likes to eat banana. Monkey likes to eat banana. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is also called as Chinese gooseberry. Kiwi fruit is also called as Chinese gooseberry. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit has many benefits. Dragon fruit has many benefits. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Do you ever eat jackfruit? Do you ever eat jackfruit? Pear. Pear. Pears are fruit mostly consumed around the world. Pears are fruit mostly consumed around the world. Wih, mulai entek to iki ceritane video ini. Nah, guys, kuwi mau nggo nglatih ilatmu ben iso ngomong sithik-sithik lah ya, ngomong buah-buahan dhisik lah ya sing gampang-gampang. Oke, ojo lali dipraktekne karo anak-anakmu, karo sedulur-sedulurmu kabeh. Oke, thank you, bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.